What is going on YouTube? It's Sank and we are back with another one. Now in this drop, coming at you guys with a couple of plays and I bring to attention. But before I kick things off, I'd like to help out the channel by hitting that like button because it keeps the show rolling. Alright guys, we have kicked off this week with a bang. The markets have been moving, and for those of you who have been sticking to the blueprint, weathering the storm in these markets, so to say, with me over the last couple of months, you guys are getting a taste of what the stock market can deliver. So check this out, sea of green across the portfolio today, and if you've been rocking with our channel plays, it's exactly the same for you. Now, I picked up a play in the markets today that I want to make sure you guys are aware of so we can continue that momentum right through. But before we get to that, I want to cover off a couple of our plays that have been on the up and up today. So we're going to kick things off here. That's ticker symbol ALPP, that's Alpine 4. Now this is one of our legacy plays. A lot of us already won big on this play at the beginning of the year. But over the last couple of weeks, we've been going in for that second course because as I've been saying to you guys, this one is trading at that 3-month support and this one will bounce off that line just like they did today. That's why you saw that pop up 10%. Now, this is one that going forward, I'm expecting them to trend back down to that 3-month support line, which is the mid to low $3 range. And as they do, it's an opportunity for you guys to jump back in on the play, catch them at that cheaper price point, and you can ride them back up. Now, this is a play I've been saying to you guys, you can win in the short term or the long term. How you decide to play this one is up to you. Me, I'm looking to capitalize both in the short and long term by selling the rips on this play. So when this one bounces off that support line, I could sell out of the position, net that short term gain. When it drops back down, I could just reinvest the capital. The next one I've got for that's ticker symbol CHPT, that's ChargePoint, coming in at $29. Another play we've been speaking about recently over the last couple of sessions. This is a play that's going to deliver what I call multi-year wins because this is an EV infrastructure play that is a leader in what it's doing. And we know the EV space is just getting started. As the momentum continues to build, ChargePoint is going to benefit off the back of that. Now, last week, ChargePoint came through with their Q1 earnings. They came in strong, just what we want to see as investors. That's given that stock price momentum since the release of those numbers. That's where they're now standing at that $29 mark. Now, and the whole family getting in on the action on this one because this play is going to be one of our bread makers, but this is how we're going to do it. So if we check out the charts, this one's trading near that 3-month resistance, which comes in at $30 to $31. Now, it's rejected a breakthrough over the last 3 months twice, once in March and again in April. So it's very likely that over the next couple of sessions, it might reject another breakthrough and come back down. So if we catch this one $27, $26 or below, that's the point, to increase your existing position or start a new position in this one if you're not already in this play. But as I say, this is a play that's just getting warmed up, so you want to get in on the action early. So over the next couple of months and over the next couple of years, this play is set to deliver for us investors. The next one I'm going to run through with you guys, that's ticker symbol BNGO, that's BioNano, coming in at $8.39. A couple of weeks back when this one was trading at $5 to $6 range, I said this is a play that will double up, and on the day, up 22%. So this play is showcasing what it can do for us today. Now, when you guys see this one running up on a day like today, don't FOMO your way in because we know this can be a volatile play. So this one can come down sharply. So you guys want to be mindful of that. When the market is generally stable or positive, BioNano performs well. When the market isn't so stable, BioNano has that glass floor. But you can use that to your advantage by catching the play as cheap as you can before the next rebound. Last time we spoke about the play, this one was making moves in the UK, and so in a matter of time before they deliver another note for us, letting us know they got some further business momentum to push this one up. So just another one I'm gonna bring to attention. Alright guys, so on to the play that I picked up in the markets today. That's ticker symbol HITI, that's High Tide, coming in at $8.21, down almost 4% on the day. You guys know I love catching these quality plays on red because all it does is just increases my returns on these plays. Now check this out, on the week this one's down almost 7%, and last time we spoke about this play I told you guys they were trending down and open up a buying opportunity, and I said next time I catch that buying opportunity I'm gonna pounce on this one. So I added to this my position. I've got 300 shares in the clip on this one and I'm not done accumulating yet. I'm going to increase my position further on weakness on this play. Now if we check out the charts last 3 months, this one's got what we call rising support. So this one should be very close to that floor line where it should bounce off, which will be around that $8 mark. Might drop down to $7.90, $7.80, but that's pretty much where the floor should be on this play from the technicals. Now, I don't want you guys to get it twisted. This is a play that can move just like all the other plays I've spoken to you about because they're on that serious momentum path, just showcased by their last financials where they grew over 100% year on year. And I'm expecting them to continue that momentum right through Q2, Q3, and Q4 this year to come in strong. Now, this is a play where the market is just underappreciating it right now. That's why we get these moves in that stock price when you see them move up 25, 50% in just one trading session, when you have that serious momentum in the company and it's underappreciated. So I just want to give you guys the heads up on this play before this one does explode so you can get your positions set and ready. Now, this is a play that we will hit the home run in if management continue to deliver for us. And I want all of you guys to be celebrating with me because a lot of you guys missed out on our recent last ones, like a hire car, like a BCRX. So last but not least, I want to touch on this one. That's ticker symbol CLOV. That's Clover Health Investments coming in at $11. This is a play, an option for short-term wins. Now, this one, even despite that stock price move today, is a play that, given the market movement, has a potential to reach its all-time high levels in the mid to upper teen range. Okay, so I want to give you guys a heads up on the play. But how we move with this one is over the next couple of trading sessions, if you catch this one and it opens up and it's heavy in the red, you guys want to find the floor on the play before you move in. But on the flip side, if this one's showing momentum on the day or if they're showing a bit of stability, you can use it as what we call a momentum play. You can get into the play and ride this one up. So I'm going to give you guys a heads up on this play. That's ticker symbol CLOV. So if you've been rocking with the channel, you know what time it is. Do you like pen gaming over DraftKings as a buy now if you own neither to get a play in the gambling industry? Now, I've got both of these plays in the portfolio, but right now Penn National takes the lead because that stock price has just been beaten down and they're still trading near that 1 month low and the play is just primed for a rebound. They've also got their offline and their online. Now, these casino plays are going to do well in economic reopening. Plays like MGM, plays like Caesars, Penn National will see a jump in that stock price. Penn National also got bar stores as well, so it gives them a unique angle in the game. Now, DraftKings is a phenomenal business, and that's just showcased by the quality of partnerships they win. UFC, NFL, WWE, and many others. But the thing with DraftKings that you guys got to notice is it's a very expensive stock. Valuation comes in sky high. So if DraftKings puts one foot out of place, you'll see that stock price show a lot of volatility. So as I say, right now, Penn National takes the lead, but both of these plays are set to deliver for investors. Now, it's a good idea to be pitching these plays up against other plays before you pull the trigger on the play because it puts everything into perspective and helps you guys evaluate. Alright guys, so that wraps up for this one. If you've got any questions for me, do leave them down below and I get back to you. Honestly, I appreciate you guys. On your way out, light up that comment section for me. If you're new, join the movement. I'll catch you on the next one.